AI and healthcare innovation. The role of AI in diagnosing diseases. AI systems analyze complex medical data, helping detect conditions like cancer, heart disease, and infections faster than traditional methods. AI tools for radiology. Algorithms analyze imaging, like X-rays, MRIs, to improve accuracy, speed, and early detection of anomalies. Predictive analytics in healthcare. AI predicts disease risk by analyzing patient data, lifestyle, and genetic factors, aiding early intervention. AI in detecting rare diseases. AI can detect subtle signs in patient data that point to rare diseases, reducing misdiagnoses. Preventing medical errors. With AI alerts providers to potential errors, such as incorrect prescriptions or drug interactions. Natural language processing, NLP, in patient record analysis. NLP extracts insights from patient records, helping identify patterns for better care. Real-time symptom checkers with AI. AI-powered chatbots offer preliminary assessments, helping patients understand symptoms before seeing a doctor. Virtual health assistants. These AI tools help with scheduling, health queries, and reminders, reducing the administrative load. AI in dermatology. AI-powered apps analyze skin images, aiding early diagnosis of conditions like skin cancer. Personalized medicine. AI tailors treatments to individuals based on genetics, lifestyle, and history, improving outcomes. Thank you. If you do not want to miss future development of AI in healthcare, please subscribe.